Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting only the permissions the app requests, because without accessibility and overlay, it cannot capture text. Next, open the app and set source to auto so it detects language, then pick your target language. Once done, enable either real-time capture for live translation or screenshot mode for static pages. Choose the OCR engine and recognition speed to balance accuracy versus speed. Make sure the app shows the camera or screen preview before proceeding. You now capture the content. Frame the text clearly and keep the camera steady, because OCR accuracy depends on contrast and focus. If you opted for screenshot mode, crop tightly to exclude clutter and run OCR, then review the recognized words and correct any misreads. Once corrected, press Translate, and if needed, switch to dictionary or phrase mode to resolve idioms or split compounds. This step improves the quality of the final translation. To finish, export or copy the translated text, and if you want continuous help, pin the overlay on screen, then test playback or text-to-speech if required. If recognition fails, make sure you installed the correct OCR language pack and improve lighting, because missing packs or poor contrast are common causes. And if the app becomes slow, clear cache, restart the app, or toggle hardware acceleration. These steps usually restore performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.